Have you ever had to grease someone's palms to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And this idiom is extremely old. It comes from Roman times when Pliny the Younger referred to it as ointment, which meant it comes from the practice of applying grease to machinery or to wheels. It's a really old saying. It's been in English since the 1500s. It's been used in English. It means to give somebody money in exchange for a favor or a bribe, or to bribe someone. So it can be in exchange for a favor, like a tip or a gratuity, or it can be to pay to get into some event, pay for a favor, can be a bribe to get access to somebody or something. So it kind of sounds like some mastermind programs and coaching, right? It could be applied to just about anything. So my question is, in your industry, in growing and building your business, have you had to grease someone's palm? Have you had to bribe someone in order to make something happen? It's very common in certain industries, the construction trade, in building, in places where government officials are involved, interestingly enough, or police forces to get protection or things like that. In some areas, it is expected that you will pay people for certain things like protection, like access, like permits, like looking the other way if something isn't 100% right in your business. So this got me to thinking, how do you get people to help you and get what you want without necessarily having to cross the line or compromise your values, your beliefs, what's important to you? Now, I guess I'm actually proud to say I've never greased someone's palms in terms of paying them off, in terms of a bribe, or crossing my ethical line or belief. And it doesn't mean I judge other people for doing it. You do what you got to do to keep your business alive, to keep it running, to keep it growing, and to create what it is that you want in the world. I just have known that if something feels off to me, I just say no to it and I figure out another way. I believe that there's always a lot of different ways to get something done, and you don't have to compromise who you are, what you believe in, what your business stands for in order to make that happen. So what are some of the ways that we can get people to help us create what we want without necessarily having to cross that line in our beliefs, our values, our things that we stand for? I say, number one, do your research, do your homework, network. Number two, always have a big group of people, because the more people that you're interacting with, the more access you have to information, the more access you have to referrals, the more access you have to the possibilities of different ways of doing things and getting things done. Masterminds and coaches, even though I just said, ooh, sometimes it kind of feels like that, but any exchange of value, right? If you think about it, greasing someone's palm is just like buying a product or service. It's an exchange of value. It's just, are you exchanging your values for expediting something that you want? What are some other ways? Masterminds and coaches can help us learn and get more information about different ways of doing things. Form strategic partnerships, right? And ask people to help you and help you create what you want and get what you need done to grow and supersize your business. But always know what is in it for them to help you. Why should people help you? A lot of people just assume when they're new to business, oh, I'm new to business, I don't know what I'm doing, this person's done it already, I'm just going to ask them and they're just going to give me their advice for free, they're just going to tell me how to do it because I'm new and I deserve to be as successful as they do. Guess what? I have yet to find anyone that approach works with. Hey, you owe it to me to show me what you've done and teach me what you've done for free because you're rich and I'm not. Oh my gosh. And we see that a lot, right? With, I guess if you've been online or in the business world long enough, freebie seekers is what it's called. And there's nothing wrong with that. Good for you for asking, but don't get mad if somebody's too busy and has different priorities and aren't willing to mentor you or to help you or to do what you want, especially for nothing in exchange. And I'm not saying it has to be money, but you have to be giving someone something of value in order to get something of value back. That's how the world works, right? Either in barter or money or time or energy, etc. People are, one of the things that I love to do is work for free with people and for people, especially people that I want to learn from. I will not just say, hey, teach me what you know for free because I want to know what it is that you do. It's, how can I help you to achieve your goals and objectives and learn along the way a little bit more about you? So I would love to know, have you had to grease someone's palms? Are you in one of those industries where it is just expected? I think of in corporate America, you know, oh my gosh, so many examples of that. And it's all kind of a big game in between different companies and different industries and politics and government. And it's scary, but that's why I choose personally not to participate in it. I'm old enough now where I know that I'm not going to cross the line of what makes me feel good and doesn't. And I've actually left corporate jobs because of that. All right. Have an awesome day. If I can help you anybody, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another financial related idiom for the month of May. Have a great day.